I've got some noise coming from the belt drive on my C5 Corvette. That kind of noise usually points to worn bearings in an accessory or on a pulley, and I tracked it down to the AC tensioner and idler pulleys. My local auto parts store quoted about $160 just for the parts. Here's how I fixed it for 26 bucks by replacing only the actual worn parts. Right in here you can see the AC tensioner, and right above it is the idler pulley. Those are the two items that we're after to replace. So these are definitely our problem parts here, but even though the tensioner pulley spins nicely, there's definitely a bad bearing noise here. The idler pulley is the really bad part. There's not a lot of noise to show you, but you can see there's so much drag on the bearing it doesn't even want to stay spinning. My local auto parts store quoted me $50 for the pulley and $110 for the tensioner. They didn't have a listing just for the tensioner pulley. This end of the tensioner is spring loaded, and this part rarely goes bad. It's almost always only the pulley. What I determined is that these two are the exact same parts. So I went on to Rock Auto, found the Continental 49159 pulley for $13, and I ordered two of them. And it is an idler pulley that I can use to replace both of these. All right, I got the new idler pulley and I got the new tensioner pulley put on. We're ready to reinstall. New tensioner and idler pulley setup are both on. We're ready to fire it up and hear it. And with that, the noise is gone and the problem is solved.